loves, welcome again to my channel. Look at the wig, guys. I'll show you and take you step by step of how you can make this wig a braided wig, guys. So follow up and make sure you finish this video to the end and subscribe. So first I have these twisted braids. These braids, I have twisted them and I've used this string. I tied it up and I twisted these braids, and then I'm just going to make this wig using these braids. So what I did is I just sewed down one braid at a time and created this space as you see in here. So I just sew one braid at a time with that distance, and I started at the bottom, nearly at the middle of this wig cap, and this is how it is, how I started out. And yeah, so I'll be showing you guys how I stitch one braid at a time. First, you take your single braid, twisted braid, and it looks like that. After I remove it from where I have been twisting it, it looks like that. That's the end I'm going to sew down. And I have my needle and my thread. There it is. So I'm going to show you how I do it. Just measure a place where I can stick it, I can sew it down. I just move, just look closer the way I do it, the needle, and then right there I sew down that braid like that. And I don't cut that needle, I just repeat to secure that knot and to secure that one braid, just like that, the way you see it. Then I'm going to do that all around, like a line of braids but with distance. That's why I'm taking out another braid, and that's how I twisted these braids, as you can see here. So I'm going to take another braid and do it the same way I did the first braid. You can see this, guys, and I hope that you are clearly getting it the way I'm sewing it down. Make sure you secure that braid in there on that net. So I'm done at the middle part. I'm almost at the top part here, and from here you want, guys, to start making them closer to each other. So that's how I did. Look at it. Don't worry, our wig is going to turn out so good and it will be so beautiful. You see the front part, guys, you have to stitch the braids down like this, the front part. So I'm going to make this wig as a side parting of it. I don't want a middle part, I want a side part. So colors of this braid, and it was number 27 and this number 30, and I wanted this 30 to be in the back and number 27 to be on the front part of it. So yeah, that's how I want to mix these two colors to this wig. And again, I have this lace part, and I wanted to put here, this was from another wig cap, because the one I'm using doesn't have a lace, so I cut it out, and I'm going to place it here and cut the extra part out because I want my wig to look as natural as possible. So I'm going to put that lace there, but there are wig caps which have lace on their own like that, but I didn't manage to get that one. Don't worry about the back, everything is going to be covered up at the back, so we have to really be careful up in front here. Everything in front here will cover the back, so no need to sew the braids at the back of this wig cap because it will be very heavy if we just fill it all out with braids. So yeah. Now I'm pinning out the lace and I want to stitch it out so that when I continue stitching the braids, that my lace will be there. Look at the remaining braids, guys. So I have to twist another braids. Look at this hair. So I'm going to twist another braids, and this I think was my 5th braid or my 4th, and it will cover at the back. Don't worry, you see it's starting to cover all the back end of this wig, so don't worry. As you come on, you near the top while you are sewing down, make sure you start making them closer, sewing them down closer to each other a little bit than the way you did at the back. Hope you understand me, guys. If any questions, please do comment down below. So I'm back to twisting again, and I'm going to twist one braid again. You see the way I just made this rope, and I'm starting to twist these braids again. Then I'll sew this, finish this wig. So I've sewn down most of the braids, and it is remaining the lace part only, and I'm going to show you how you do it at the lace part. And you have to place them very closer to each other when you reach at the lace part there. So that's how I did it. Look at it. See the lace part, I made them very closer to each other, and I'm going to cut this part, this black part of the cap. I'm going to cut it out and leave the lace only on top here. Cutting out, be very careful while you are cutting out to not cut the lace. So I'm going to cut this wig part underneath. Meaning with the lace only on top here, and that one you can throw it away. Now we have to sew down this lace part. We don't want that bigger gap of this lace. We're just going to sew like 2 lines there and leave a little gap for it to look like a scalp. See, now our wig is full. It's starting to turn out full, as you can see, very full, until this head wants to drop down. It's very full. That's why I started very minimal at the back, and then I'm trying to gather them all together at the top of this wig. See, but it doesn't show at all. Open your eyes. Open your eyes. I'm going to show you a trick at the front of the lace part. I'm going to take this thinner thread, the thread which is used to sew clothes. This is the one I'm going to use, and I'm going to double it and then just sew down the same way I sew down at the back part of the wig. I'm just going to pin there, but the rope has to be the smaller, the thinner rope, the one which is used by tailoring clothes. So I'm just going to do the same trick and then secure the braid down on that lace, and then I'm not cutting any thread. I'm just continuing with another braid, but putting them very closer to each other, almost to touch each other. They're supposed to be very close as possible, and make sure that your rope doesn't show on that braid, because the thinner rope will disappear in the middle of that braid. So make sure that you use this thinner rope, but double it to be double. I hope you understand me, guys. I hope you understand. If you have any questions, please do comment down below. I'll answer. Just take a look. So guys, here is the wig, all set, all finished, as you can see, and at the back. So what I wanted to show you is what I'm going to do at this part, the front part. As you can see, this is lace. You can even see my what is it, my fingers there, you see. So I got a lace here, and this is how I stitch it up. I don't know if this will focus, but let's hope it will. Hope you see it, guys, the way I so I tried to focus it, but it didn't want. So this is how I just saw these twist braids. And if you're asking how many braids I used, these were like 6 braids, but they were shorter braids. I tried to make them long, so that's why I think I used a lot of braids, because I didn't use the long braids. I used short braids. Then I was just fixing it because I wanted long braids, you see. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to just to match my skin color. I'm going just to, because you see it's very white, I'm going to just apply this foundation here so that it can match my skin and to look as normal as possible. So let's apply this. So after finishing applying, this is how it is, and you can see like now it can match my skin. You see guys the difference? You see, like I've applied here, so it comes inside like that way, and yeah, now it can match my skin and not to look that too much artificial. So let's put our wig on. So guys, I have thrown the wig up, and this is the final look. This is how I look. And yeah, as you can see, if you have to come closer, that's when you'll see like yeah, this is a knit. But before you think like, what is this, have I planted it in my hair, or is it a wig? If I'm far away a little bit, you can't even tell if it's a wig. So you can try this. It's so good guys, and the wig turned out to be so good. Open your eyes. So I hope you like it, and if you want to try this, you can go step to step the way I've shown you and make your own wig. Why go buy an expensive braided wig while you can make your own at home? So yeah guys, subscribe and share this video if you know that someone needs to know this, and also subscribe and like and comment down below if you want more videos of me making wigs, because almost all my wigs, I'm the one who make them for myself. So yeah, if you want more videos about making your own wig at home, you can just subscribe and comment down below and let me know. Yes, I'll do another video for you. So yeah, I'll show you so many styles which you can do with this wig. And yes guys, I like it, I like it, I like it. And yes, I've worn this like so many times. You see, like it has wavy. There's a time which I made like a line here. And yes guys, just playing with his hair feels so good, so nice. And you can rock this wig when you're going to work, anywhere you want to go, you can just style it. So there are so many styles. Maybe I'll make another video of me styling this wig, because I don't want this video to be too long. If you want a video for me styling this wig, just comment down below. I'll make it for you guys. And yes, so I managed to do this one style just for you, a bonus, of course, a bonus style. And I will make another video of me styling this wig, guys. It's so amazing. If you want to know more about making your own wigs at home, it costs less money. What you do is just you go and buy wigs and have this wig cap, adjustable wig cap, and you're good to go. You just make your wig. So guys, until next time, thank you for watching guys, and see ya lovely people.